Flame-tec also offers the most convenient way to operate any outdoor fire feature or fire pit. The WeatherSmart allows you to turn the unit on or off simply by pushing a button on the control itself or using our free app, either for iOS or Android. So let's take a look at the unit itself. It's rather compact. It comes with waterproof connectors. It also has the option of putting in an auxiliary switch or controlling accent lighting, which we'll talk about. The greatest thing about this unit is it's compatible with most everybody's outdoor ignition systems. It runs on 12 volt, 24 volt, or 30 volt, AC or DC. It has the proper rectifiers and transformers inside so that any power that comes in on the inlet side, the same power comes out on the outlet side. So it's simple plug and play for, hopefully you've taken a look at our weather beater ignition, but if you've already got one out there, even from another manufacturer, this will plug right in to give you the ultimate in control. So here, let's watch the unit work. As I said, you can press the button to turn it on. It goes through its cycle. This unit will now purge, it'll light, it'll burn. When it comes time to turn it off, it's as simple as pushing the button. And you'll notice it gives you an indication of whether the unit's on and running or not, because there's a nice little blue ring light there on the outside of it. So you can see now it's come on. If I want to turn it off, it's simple as pushing the button and the flame's extinguished just like it came on. The other great thing about it is, as I said, we have an app. Some people want remote controls for their outdoor fire feature, and remote controls just don't last outside. They've got batteries in them, they corrode rather easily, they get left out in the rain. Most people don't leave their cell phone out in the rain, and they've always got it with them. So to operate the unit, again, I just press the power button. You get a positive indication here because the blue light came on. So even if you turned it on here, you can turn it off from your cell phone or vice versa. So this unit, as I said, it's the ultimate inconvenience for turning that fire feature on and off. Again, you can see through the cycle, it's lit up, pilot light's on. Once it proofs itself, it turns on the fire pit. If I want to turn it off, I just press the power button and immediately the fire's extinguished. And additionally, as we spoke earlier, there's an auxiliary switch that can be plugged into this. Say that you were mounting this unit in a fire table or somewhere where you actually didn't want to see the control. You can mount just the small switch and plug it into the auxiliary port. One of the great features of this is it also controls LED lighting. A lot of people will want to add a little ambiance with some lighting around the fire pit or maybe around the swimming pool or whatever. This unit will control that as well. It simply plugs into the jack on the bottom, and then you can use the app to turn your lights on and off with just the push of a button. If you're looking at this, it says WeatherSmart app. Press the power button for the lights, on they come, press again, off they go. And to turn the fire pit on, just like we did before, press the on button, you see the blue ring light come on, and the thing starts its sequence. Right now, again, the hot surface igniter is glowing, the pilot will light, and then very shortly, it'll open up the valve and the entire burner will light up. So you've got complete control over the fire pit, the lighting, and you can have an auxiliary switch for it. It's truly the easiest way to enjoy your outdoor fire pit.